Welcome back to the MagicJS tutorial. In this video, we will learn about advanced state management using useContent. So let me add a file and give path/form. Now I'm going to show you an advanced state management in forms using useContent. First, import useContent from magicjs.dev/frontend. Then set a state CMS equals useContent. Here I will configure a code, and inside it we give it as json.stringify cms.content undefined. Now let's add a button and set the label as set content. Hit save and let's check the output. So here we have a button and a component to display the content. Next, on clicking this button, I want to set a complex object in this state. So to do that, inside the onClick, type cms.setContent, title equals my blog, body, about the blog, recipes, and inside of this we will add id equals 1, item name equals milk, and quantity equals 3. Save it. So on clicking this button, a JSON payload will be set on the CMS state. Now let's test it. Refresh the page and click on set content, and we got the content here. Now let's update the body in this content. So add a button called update body. Now here inside onClick, for normal cases we would have to set a new state and all, but here type cms.updateKey body, my updated body. Save and refresh. So now here it is about the blog. When I click on the update body button, the body will be updated to my updated body. Simple, right? Next, let's try adding another recipe here. For that, let's add a button here and label it as add recipe. Inside its onClick, cms.push item. Now we will add the recipe here. id equals 2, item name equals sugar. Save it and let's give it a try. Now refresh, and if we click the add recipe button, one more recipe will be added with id equals 2. Next, we will try to update the milk quantity to 4. For that, we will add a button and label it as update milk quantity to 4. And we can use the update key here. Recipes dot. Here we can use the ID number, which is 1 dot quantity to 4. Save it and let's test again. And we have it here. Similarly, we have many operations. You can refer the useContent reference section inside the MagicJS documentation and learn more about it. Thanks for watching the video.